Good morning, folks, and welcome back to the mountain. As you can see by my hat, we're going to be using the sawmill today. The goats behind me are saying hello. So what I've got these logs over here that have been sitting out there for a while. The pine borers, the beetles have gotten into them and kind of ruined the wood, really, but we can cut it up and we can use it to build things around here. We've got a few things we want to fix. We want to put shelves in the barn. We want to build a milking stand. There's a few things we want to build. We want to add on to the little shed. So I'm going to go ahead and just cut up some lumber and bring you guys along. Looking at my views, it seems people really like the sawmill videos. So as the Kinks would say, give the people what they want. So we're going to do more sawmill videos today. Here we go, folks. Let's load up a log. There we go. Show you this area here now. I don't know how much you can see the green, but the grass is growing all through here. This is all going to be lawn, and there'll be a fire pit over there. This is when a hydraulic mill would be nice, but we do what we can. There, let's park the tractor. Alright, with this particular log, you can see it's got quite the bow in it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn that 90 and I'm going to slab it. I'm going to make 2-inch slabs with it. We can use them for benches or whatever. I'm not even going to try to get lumber out of it with that bow. Alright, so this is what that looks like slabbed, and I really like it. I mean, you can see the curve in this right here. You see that curve, so I wasn't going to get a whole lot of lumber out of that. But look at this. For slabs, for making benches or whatnot, this is going to be awesome. I only got 5 out of it, but hey, they're 2 inches thick. They're that live edge everyone loses their mind over. Got some really nice features in this wood with the knots. We got some discoloration here. This is going to make some pretty stuff with these knots. So we'll make some benches, maybe put them around the fire pit or whatnot. So we'll go ahead and stack these up too. You can hear the goats in the background. They're having a heck of a time. I'm over here and not giving them treats apparently. So let's go ahead and get these stacked up. And there they are, stacked up pretty as can be with some ones from last year down there. So once again, we can do whatever we want with these. We can make benches or signs or whatever. Got some maple that's been drying about a year, so about a year and a half, so it's about time to use that for something. Not bad for a couple hour works. We got some 1x, we got some 2x4s, 2x6s over there. We got some 4x4s, just out of some old logs I had lying around. So that's going to be it from the mountain today, folks. Once again, as always, subscribe to our channel. Hit the notification bell, hit that thumbs up, like our videos. Apparently it helps with the algorithm. So we'll see what that does for us. And as always, folks, God bless.